Hi there, it's Lisa Stoops from lisastoops.com and welcome back to another video training. This week I'm going to share with you how I set up a basic WordPress site, and from buying a domain name to setting it all up within your hosting account. Now there's so many different ways to do things, so I'm just going to show you what I do. And it's going to take you all the way through to the end site. I'm not going to show you exactly how to customize the site because it really depends on your theme, but I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with your own website. Okay, so the first step is to choose a domain name. So now a lot of times the first step would be to pick your hosting provider. I use Bluehost. This is Bluehost. This is my cPanel. This is the behind the scenes of my hosting provider, my server and stuff. Um, this is what you could use this. You could use the same hosting company to get domains through, but for some reason I got stuck on using like Namecheap and different places because I don't know, I can get a coupon and save a couple dollars, or maybe it's some cents now, but I don't know. I used to buy a lot of domains. I used to be like a domain name junkie. So this is how I've just been doing it for years now. So anyway, if you just pick the hosting company that you want to go through. I use Bluehost. The other one that a lot of people use is I'm drawing a blank now, but um, Ghost. HostGator, or geez, I'm just drawing a blank. GoDaddy or something like that. But anyway, I've been with Bluehost since around 2008, and I haven't had many issues at all. Servers are usually always up and running. Okay, so the first step would be to find your domain name, and this I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to buy a domain name outside of your hosting account and link it to your hosting account, because if you um, do it through your hosting account, it's just really pretty much straightforward. So once you buy your domain name, you're going to be in the back of and you can, if you use Namecheap, you can go through and get a coupon code and use it there. But what you're going to do is, oh, sorry, in Namecheap here, you're going to transfer. You click on the domain name. So what you're going to do, and I don't have a fresh domain name to show you exactly everything, but what I'm going to do is see if I go to manage my domains. Okay, I'm going to have different sites that I run here, and then what I'm going to do is click on the domain name once it's in your account, and you're going to pick on the side here, you're going to pick information to transfer your DNS. And what I'm going to do is type in the first two lines Bluehost and Bluehost on in the boxes. Okay, then you're going to hit save, and that is going to take it, and it takes a few minutes to update, usually not any longer than an hour to update to here and to Bluehost. And then once I do that, I will be able to um, read add a domain name wherever it is. Wait, am I not in the cPanel here? I'm going to click the button that says add-on domain. So down here under domain management, I'll just click add-on domain. And every cPanel is pretty similar, so what I would do is just choose add-on directory. No, wait, first I'm going to put up here enter domain. It's going to say this, and I'm going to enter in the domain name. Use a domain that's not already associated with your account, and then down here I'm just going to assign this domain. So really all I'm filling out is step number one, enter the domain. And once I do that, I will assign it. And when I assign it, it will be transferred over to Bluehost. So I'll be able to actually type in the URL, and it would say Bluehost was hosting it and not Namecheap.com. I hope that makes sense. So then what I would do is I'm going to go back to my cPanel, and you should have a cPanel, whatever hosting provider you use. And all you're going to do is you're going to do WordPress or if you see anything that says Fantastico or something that has to do with WordPress, you want to go ahead and click that. Under Bluehost, Bluehost uses, I forgot the name of it, it's going to pop up right here, Mojo Marketplace to install WordPress. So this is like basically a one-click install. It's really super easy. You don't, I used to have to do it a wholly, totally different way before, you know, the more and more like technology has come out. So what you do is you want to click install a brand new instance, and then you pick which domain you want it to be on, and then you'll click, if you want it to be like your www.url.com, you would pick that and not put anything here. And then you, if you wanted WordPress to be installed under like your www.com, your url dot dot com slash blog, then you could do that too. So basically, you pick where you want it to be installed. So usually it's going to be right on your site like this, like whatever the name of your site is. Like for example, what I'm doing here right now is create, launch, thrive. I don't want anything in here, so I'm just going to say check domain, but I already have it installed in here. I think it'll probably tell me that I already have it installed. Um, so then what you're going to do is, and I don't even need to do that. So I don't know why it's going to go. I already did. Okay, so basically you would hit install now. So then when you viewed your website, you should have a little, it should come up as WordPress/admin. This should come up. Now, you can always log into WordPress by this URL. So remember this, memorize that, because if you ever have an issue to get into the back end of your website, this is the URL you have to know. WP for WordPress dash admin. So your URL / WP dash admin. Okay, and then you can get into the back end of your website, and this is where you can create everything. And so the next step would be, what theme do I want? Which is huge headache because it depends on really what you're looking for. So I love StudioPress. That's one place that I've always bought themes from the very beginning. And basically, you can shop for the look. What look and feel do you want? And that just, there's just thousands upon thousands of themes. So you can go with StudioPress, or you can go over to themeforest.net and go under WordPress and go under the type of theme you want. Okay, so then what you would do is you would purchase it, or if you want to try out some free ones, you can do that too. And you can even go in the back part of your dashboard under themes, appearance, themes. This is where you're going to make it all happen here. You can go ahead and search for free themes right in here. Let me see where I usually buy premium themes and I download them and install them. But you can look in here to see which type of themes. Let's see, popular ones that you might want. But again, it's well worth it to invest um, in a theme. I mean, you're not even going to spend much even with these themes. I think let's see, details and pricing about, $99.95. These are a little more expensive, but if you buy one theme, you will get them super cheap after. So if you didn't like your theme, or if you want to change up your theme, you can buy it really. See, I've got several themes from StudioPress. So if I went into, once I logged in, you'll see that, what was it? This one was $99 to the outside, but it's only $33 for a returning customer discount. So you might want to use StudioPress. If not, ThemeForest has a ton of low cost premium. Let's see, let me show you right here. We have $43, around 50 bucks, you're going to get a really good theme. So it's up to you on that part. So what you would do is once you have it, you're going to go to your behind the scenes here to themes. It's going to say upload theme, and you're going to choose the file, and you're going to choose the zip file, and you're going to upload it and then install it. And once you do that, you'll have this basic site here that you can do anything you want to do with it. You can customize it however you want to. So again, this is just the basic steps to getting your own website up and out to the world. So if you have any questions, let me know in the Facebook group, lisastoops.com/group, and I'll love to help you out. I'll create another video if I have to help you and to walk you through this process if you need to learn anything else, or if any part of this video was confusing to you.